In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar to schedule meetings seamlessly, whether it's for coordinating work with colleagues or organizing personal events. Let's dive right in and explore the steps needed to efficiently create and manage your meetings. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. This tool is at the heart of Google's suite of productivity apps, designed to help you manage time like a pro. Once you're on the calendar page, you'll see a grid displaying days, weeks, or months depending on your chosen view. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface because understanding it thoroughly will enhance your scheduling efficiency. When you're ready to create a meeting, click on a specific date or time slot. This action opens a window where you can start inputting details for your event. Begin by adding a catchy title that succinctly describes the meeting. It could be Team Strategy Session or Catch Up with HR. Choosing a clear title is critical as it allows attendees to know the purpose of the meeting at a glance. Next, if the default time doesn't suit your agenda, click on Add Time to modify and choose a more suitable time slot. Flexibility is one of Google Calendar's strengths, enabling you to tailor each meeting to fit perfectly within your schedule. If this meeting will occur regularly, such as every week or month, click on the drop-down menu that says Does Not Repeat. Here you have the option to set the frequency of recurrence. Select from daily, weekly, monthly, and more based on your requirements. Setting up recurring meetings is a significant time saver, reducing the need to repeatedly schedule the same event. Now it's time to invite your guests. In the section labelled Invite Guests, you can add the email addresses of all individuals you want to attend. This feature seamlessly integrates with everyone's Google accounts, sending an automatic notification to join the meeting, which helps in boosting attendance. Setting the meeting location is next. If it's an in-person gathering, input the venue's address. Alternatively, for virtual meetings, Google Meet is an excellent option. You can generate a link directly within Google Calendar, ensuring all attendees know exactly how to join remotely. Adding an agenda in the description section is also highly recommended. Clearly outlining the meeting's goals helps set expectations and prepares participants for the discussion topics, making meetings more focused and productive. Finally, after reviewing all the details, find and click on the Save button. Doing this saves the meeting to your calendar and sends invitations to your guests. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to schedule meetings using Google Calendar. By effectively leveraging these steps, you'll ensure your meetings are well organized, inviting, and efficient. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.